Okay, so now that we've gone over the UI, let's look at how to create an app with this. We'll look at how to add an API to this as well. Again, for starters, always create a new folder somewhere in your file system. I would recommend that you don't add it to like your downloads directory or something like that. If it's on Windows, start it in your if it's on Windows, start in your C drive. I create Windsurf projects and put all of my directories under there. If you're on a Mac, maybe start with your desktop. But anyway, video demo 1 is where I'm going to start. So again, I'm going to go back to Windsurf and I'm going to open my empty folder, and I'm going to find the folder video demo 1. Go inside of here, select the folder. Here, let me do this. File, open folder. I'm going to actually do video demo, okay, in my case. All right. So this should open up an empty directory, right? Because you would have created an empty directory. And now you just ask it to build an app. I need for you to build me a landing page. I want this to be a front-end application. I want this to be a front-end application that uses Node.js. I don't need a backend just yet. In this application, we're going to upload a CSV file or a Microsoft Excel file and claim the data. That is the use case, so you know what to put on the landing page in this Node.js application. Done. I need for you, you can probably pause the video for right here, but this is the prompt that'll get you started. From here, let's see what it gives us. It's going to think through it. Could have asked it to, give me a modern design, give me, whatever, right? There's several opportunities I had to build something. Okay, so now you can see it's going in, it's building the application for us. As it goes in and is writing code, make sure that you accept all as you go through the process here. I'm going to accept all again. Accept all. And again, it's writing the code. You just keep accepting all. Okay. All right. So here's the thing. Once it finishes, and again, you might have to communicate with it a few times to get it where you want it. Again, make sure it's code, make sure that, you have the right model. But in almost all cases, you're going to need to run an npm install for a Node application. And in almost all cases, you can do either npm start or npm run dev. So I'm going to do npm start. And now it's telling me that I'm running on localhost 3000. And by the way, if you just hover over the link and click follow link, there you go, right? So this is the first swag at the application. So this is going to let us upload the file or drag and drop the file here. And then we have a button to clean data. But there you go. You just created your first application, okay? So I'm going to stop from, actually, you know what? I'll show one more thing. So once you have it here and the app is running, it's running locally on your machine. Then you can do things like, please change the name / title to my data cleaner. Okay, so let me run this. And as this is running, you'll see it'll start updating the code. And as it's updating the code, so now it says data cleaner. Let me accept all as it updates the code. Okay. So if I go over here in my terminal, if you ever want to stop this thing, you always do Control C. That will stop it. Control C, whether you're in a Mac or a PC. And again, npm start or npm run dev. Hover over localhost, click follow link. And now you can see you can start to edit and update your application. So from here, it's just a matter of talking to the application to get it to do whatever it is you want it to do. Okay. All right, so now I'll stop here.